The Christmas lights launch in Palma on Thursday, November 28, which means the Christmas festivities have officially started in Mallorca. A total of 235,580 meters of garlands have been strung across Palma streets, with over 1,000 trees given a Christmas makeover. Christmas lights, also called twinkle lights, holiday lights, mini lights, or fairy lights, that are strands of electric lights used to decorate homes, public, commercial buildings, and Christmas trees during the Christmas season, are amongst the most recognized form of Christmas lighting. Holiday lighting technology has been subject to considerable development and variations since the replacement of candles in 18th century, where the Christmas tree was occasionally decorated with candles, which at that time was a comparatively expensive light source. Candles for the tree were glued with melted wax to a tree branch or attached by pins. Around 1890, candle holders were first used for Christmas candles. Between 1902 and 1914, small lanterns and glass bowls to hold the candles started to be used. The first known electrically illuminated Christmas tree was the creation of Edward H. Johnson, an associate of inventor Thomas Edison, while he was vice president of the Edison Electric Light Company, a predecessor of today's Con Edison electric utility. He had Christmas tree light bulbs especially made for him. He proudly displayed his Christmas tree, which was hand-wired with 80 red, white, and blue electric incandescent light bulbs the size of walnuts on December 22, 1882, at his home on Fifth Avenue in New York City. Johnson has become widely regarded as the father of electric Christmas tree lights, become the majority replacement of candles until 1930. This year, Palma City Council has chosen the motto Palma, City of the Future, with the theme of the ceremony centered around children's wishes for Christmas. Christmas is an annual festival commemorating the birth of Jesus Christ, observed primarily on December 25th as a religious and cultural celebration among billions of people around the world. A feast central to the Christian liturgical year, it is preceded by the season of Advent or the Nativity Fast and initiates the season of Christmastide, which historically in the West lasts 12 days and culminates on the 12th night. In some traditions, Christmastide includes an octave. The eighth day, or in Latin word octava means 8, dies means day, was associated with a weekly Christian celebration of the resurrection of Christ every 8th day, which became a name for Sunday. The locals and the tourists gathered to witness the Christmas lighting this year at the Palma City Center that took place in Plaza de la Reina or Queen Square from 7 p.m. However, simultaneous events will be carried out on Plaza del Rey Juan Carlos I or King Carlos I Plaza and Plaza de Court or in the Town Hall. A magical program of events have been prepared which includes musical performances, dance, audiovisual projections, and several circus shows hosted at a central point across the city. Christmas light displays publicly and illuminated with electric lights became popular in the early 20th century. By the mid-20th century, it became customary to display strings of electric lights along streets and on buildings. Christmas decorations detach from the Christmas tree itself. The celebratory customs associated in various countries with Christmas have a mix of pre-Christian, Christian, and secular themes and origins. Popular modern customs of the holiday include gift-giving, completing an Advent calendar or Advent wreath, Christmas music and caroling, lighting Christingle, viewing a nativity play, an exchange of Christmas cards, church services and special meal, pulling Christmas crackers, and a display of various Christmas decorations include Christmas trees, Christmas lights, nativity scene, garlands, wreath, mistletoe, and holly. In addition, several closely related and often interchangeable figures known as Santa Claus, Father Christmas, Saint Nicholas, and Christkind are associated with bringing gifts to children during the Christmas season and have their own body of traditions and lore. because gift-giving and many other aspects of the Christmas festival involve heightened economic activity. The holiday has become a significant event and a key sales period for retailers and businesses. The economic impact of Christmas has grown steadily over the past few centuries in many regions of the world.